Hello everyone. In the last video, we found the value of this x in the equation under root x plus under root x minus 9 is equals to 9 with one method. Today we are going to find the value of x with another method. So previously we squared both sides, but now we are going to do is we will write x plus under root x minus 9 is equals to 9. We will take this x minus 9 to the right hand side and we are left with under root x on the left hand side and 9 minus under root x minus 9 on the right hand side. Now we will square both sides and we will get under root x square is equals to 9 minus under root x minus 9 whole square. Here we are going to apply the formula a minus b whole square, which is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This under root and square will cancel out. So x is equals to, this is a, this is b, 9 square minus 2 into 9 into under root x minus 9 plus under root x minus 9 whole square. So here this square and under root will cancel out. We are left with x is equals to 9 square is 81 minus 9 2s are 18 under root x minus 9 plus x minus 9. So from here we get x is equals to 81 plus x minus 9 minus 18 under root x minus 9. We can subtract this. So x is equals to 81 minus 9 is 72 plus x minus 18 under root x minus 9. This x will go to that side and x minus x is equals to 72 minus 18 root x minus 9. This will be 0. So we are left with 0 is equals to 72 minus 18 root x minus 9. Let's take this 18 root x minus 9 to the left hand side and we are left with 18 root x minus 9 is equals to 72. Now this 18 will go to the right hand side and we will get under root x minus 9 is equals to 72 divided by 18. So 18 fours are 72. We are left with under root x minus 9 is equals to 4. Again, by squaring both sides, we will get under root x minus 9 square is equals to 4 square. This squares and square root will cancel out. We are left with x minus 9 is equals to 16. X is equals to 16 plus 9. So x is equals to 25. To find the value of x with another method, you can check the previous video how we have found the value of x. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and do subscribe the channel.